Oke, thank you yang sudah join and also
Yes.
respon ya. Well, as usual ya, seperti biasa, sebelum perkuliahan kita mulai, sebentar, kita ini di pertemuan ke-5 ya. It means that we miss 2 meeting, kita kurang 2 meeting. Pasti teman-teman sudah ada yang UAS di minggu depan ya. Tetapi karena untuk hari Jumat ini banyak libur nasional, jadi nanti kita akan ada perpanjangan jadwal, informasinya begitu. Well, baik, as usual ya, before we start for the lesson, it's better if we pray, kita berdoa dulu. Berdoa menurut agama dan kepercayaan masing-masing dipersilakan. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Well, by the way, how are you this evening? Bagaimana kabar malam hari ini?
Really fine.
Okay,
Fine,
good. Fine, well. Nah, kalau yang lain gimana kabarnya?
fine, Miss.
Fine, Miss.
Fine juga ya, alhamdulillah. Kalau di Malang ini lagi dingin cuacanya ya. Kalau di tempat teman-teman bagaimana?
Sama, Miss. Dingin.
Sama ya. Nah, di mana? Mas Rivaldan di mana?
Freezer.
Kemarin dari Batu, sekarang di Pasuruan.
Oh gitu, di Pasuruan juga dingin ya.
Dingin. Iya.
Padahal di Pasuruan itu terkenal dengan panas. Oke. Kalau di eh sorry Mas Supriyanto ini Klaten ya?
Iya, Miss.
Heeh, Klaten gimana ini?
Eh, very hot.
Very hot. Oh. Kayaknya harus diajak ke Batu tuh Mas Rivaldan ya.
Iya ini, Bu. Kalau ke Malang betah.
Sudah pernah ya? Sudah pernah ke Malang ya?
Yes.
Oke. Kalau Mbak Yolanda di mana ini Mbak Yolanda?
Sama, Miss. Kalau
Di Malang atau di
di Sumatera,
Oh, Sumatera. Sumatera panas ya?
cold, Miss, sama.
Oke. So it means that today the weather is cold ya, mayoritas dingin. Untuk Mas Atta,
Saya di Malang.
oh di Malang. Kalau Malang pasti udah sama nih cuacanya ya. Tiba-tiba turun hujan deras, kemudian anginnya kencang dan dingin. Well, baik everyone. So there are 13 students, 13 mahasiswa. Izin off cam, oke. It's okay, masih kerja, baik. Nah, sebelum kita lanjut nih ya teman-teman, kita warm up activity dulu. Kita pemanasan sebentar, I will share. And also you can answer through typing on a chat. Silahkan mengetikkan di chat begitu ya. Saya yakin semuanya tahu ini. Sebentar, which one? Nah, ini adalah sepenggal lirik ya. Kemudian I will play what is the sound for this lyric, and then please fill in the blank. Silahkan dilengkapi. Sebentar, I have to share. Kira-kira kalau saya beralih ini bergeser ya sepertinya ya. Gini aja deh. Apakah slide-nya berubah menjadi group project?
Yes, Miss.
Berubah, Miss.
Berubah ya. So I think I will share it on a chat. Saya share di chat. Saya lupa tadi tidak attachment-kan sound di sini. Well, so there are only 7 question, hanya ada 7. Pasti teman-teman kenal dengan lagu ini.
Pretty little baby.
Sudah
Ya,
terdengar
ya.
ya?
Pretty little baby. Ya, ya. Pretty little baby. You say that maybe you'll be thinking of me and try to love me, pretty little baby. I'm hoping that you do. You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours tellin' all the bluebirds, the bill and coo birds, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you, now is just the time. While both of us are young, puppy love must have its day. Don't you know it's much more fun to love while the heart is young and gay?
Teman-teman mendengarkan soundnya tidak ya? Apakah terdengar?
Terdengar, Miss.
Terdengar ya. Oke, yang bisa menjawab
Pretty
silahkan.
little baby, ya ya. Pretty little baby, ya ya. Pretty little baby. You say that maybe you'll be thinking of me and try to love me, pretty little baby. I'm hoping that you do. You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours tellin' all the bluebirds, the bill and coo birds, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you, now is just the time. While both of us are young, puppy love must have its day. Don't you know it's much more fun to love while the heart is young and gay?
Oke. Silahkan yang bisa menebak-nebak kira-kira nomor 1. Oke, Mas Tobias thinking flower hours telling young now heart. Oke. Thank you Mbak Fariska, Mbak Yolanda. Kira-kira ada yang pernah mendengar lagu ini? Ini lagu yang lagi hype banget ya.
Sering muncul di TikTokku sampai bosen.
Nah, pas sampai bosen ya. Well, sampai ini ya, ketika buka YouTube tidak sengaja ternyata munculnya lagu itu ya.
Benar sekali.
Heeh. But this one is the old song. Ini lagu lama ya. Saya mendengar zaman ketika saya kecil. Ternyata sekarang trending lagi. Well, itu just a warm up activity, hanya sekedar warm up activity. Thank you yang sudah respon. And also I will continue for the material. And today, after I share material, you will discuss ya, discuss in group. Oh sorry, saya lupa sebentar. Saya klaim dulu sebagai host, jadi saya bisa memasukkan teman-teman ke dalam breakout room. Okay. I think last meeting we have already discussed about greeting and leave taking ya. So, but I just finished it on greeting, but leave taking I still didn't share for you. Ini juga sudah imagine in a meeting, objective, definition, type, and also example. Actually, for English conversation, it means that we have to practice a lot. Jadi harus banyak praktek, and also you have to know how to use it in conversation. Jadi harus mengetahui bagaimana menggunakan dalam conversation, and give the example of how to give a greeting and also leave taking. Feature formal written communication juga sudah, and also summary table for polite tone, basic step for email and also written greeting. There are several situation, and then body language, formal language ya, and avoid construction, jadi tidak boleh disingkat. Closing, how to give a close written in email. And then greeting on the phone, jadi how to give polite greeting for formal situation and also informal situation. And then this one several example of greetings, conversation, formal and also informal situation. Okay, so the next one is about leave taking ya teman-teman. Maybe masih ada yang ingat, sudah pernah mempelajari, atau bahkan ada yang belum pernah mempelajari. Oh sorry, kamera saya ini sebenarnya agak rewel. Okay, wait. Well, so leave taking, based on the definition, leave taking refers to the polite expression we use when ending a conversation, whether face to face, on the phone, or in writing. Yeah, it helps to close the interaction smoothly, showing respect, gratitude, and also courtesy. Ada yang menyampaikan polas meeting sulit untuk memulai percakapan, kemudian juga ada yang mengatakan sulit untuk mengakhiri percakapan, begitu ya. Jadi leave taking ini adalah ekspresi sopan yang kita gunakan untuk mengakhiri percakapan, baik secara tatap muka langsung, melalui telepon, atau bahkan dalam bentuk tulisan, supaya ini membantu dalam berinteraksinya lebih halus dan sopan gitu ya, menunjukkan respect each other, sopan santun, saling menghargai, seperti itu. And then for the next one, so the purpose of leave taking, there are several purposes here. The first is to end the conversation politely and also professionally. Jadi untuk mengakhiri percakapan secara sopan dan profesional. Second one, to show appreciation for the interaction. The third one, to signal the conversation is over without being abrupt ya. The last one, to leave a good impression. Nah, intinya adalah tujuan dalam saying leave taking itu untuk mengakhiri percakapan dengan sopan dan profesional, menunjukkan apresiasi dalam berinteraksi ya, dan sinyal atau tanda percakapan telah berakhir, dan yang paling penting adalah meninggalkan kesan yang baik ketika kita berkomunikasi dengan orang lain. And then there are several comparison of formal and informal leave taking. Jadi tidak hanya greeting, leave taking juga ada perbedaan ya, perbandingan antara formal dan informal. So, based on the purpose, jadi berdasarkan tujuan or function, Formal leave taking is to end conversation politely in professional or official context to show respect, courtesy, and professionalism to maintain a positive impression for future interaction. Jadi pasti di masa yang akan datang kita akan berinteraksi kembali. Nah, itu salah satu tujuan dan fungsinya dalam memberikan leave taking adalah mengakhiri conversation atau percakapan dengan sopan dan profesional. And then for informal leave taking, the purpose is to end conversation casually with friends, peers, or family to keep the tone friendly, relaxed, and natural. Dalam bentuk informal, percakapan ini dengan sesama teman begitu ya, teman, keluarga, sehingga conversation-nya lebih santai dan natural. And then where use untuk formal leave taking, di mana kita menggunakannya, the first is business meetings, interviews, maybe you do interview for what is applicant ya, teman-teman menginterview calon pelamar, and then client calls, formal emails, and also academic setting. And informal leave taking, jadi di mana kita menggunakannya adalah chat with friends, casual phone calls, informal messages, and also personal emails. Jadi yang membedakan itu. Sebenarnya hampir sama dengan greetings ya. And then for the tone or style, formal leave taking, the tone or style is polite, sopan, respectful, structure, avoid slangs, or constructions. Construction itu yang kemarin disingkat-singkat do not menjadi don't, and then I am menjadi I'm, seperti itu. Jadi kalau untuk leave taking yang formal itu tidak boleh disingkat. And informal leave taking, the tone or style is relaxed, jadi lebih santai, friendly, flexible, can include slang or informal phrases. The example, contohnya, formal leave taking for spoken, jadi untuk komunikasi secara langsung ya. Thank you for your time. I look forward to our next meeting. Goodbye. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Disampaikan terima kasih. Kemudian semoga bertemu di next meeting ya, pertemuan berikutnya. Sampai jumpa. Dan itu sangat senang sekali berbicara dengan Anda. And then informal leave taking. See you later. Catch you soon. Take care. Bye. So you can choose one of them. Jadi boleh dipilih salah satu. Maybe you will use see you later boleh, catch you soon juga boleh, take care, bye. Nah. And then for written example, formal leave taking, I look forward to hearing from you. Best regards, sincerely. Informal leave taking ada talk soon, cheers, take care. And the last one is impact. Impact for formal leave taking builds professionalism, good reputation, and also trust. And then informal leave taking builds closeness, warmth, and friendliness. Jadi itu yang membedakan. So when you use leave taking, formal and informal, it depends on situation and also context. Jadi tergantung situasinya. If you visit business meeting, kalau misalkan urusan bisnis kemudian kerja, so you can use formal leave taking. But if you speak with your friends, family gitu ya, or best friend, itu bisa informal leave taking. And the next one, types of leave taking expression. Jadi contohnya, jenisnya dalam berekspresi. I divided into several expressions and also when to use and language register. For language register formal, ya, untuk formal, you can use the expression, it was nice speaking with you. Jadi teman-teman bisa menggunakan ekspresi tersebut untuk bertelepon, kemudian dalam dunia bisnis, and also formal meetings. Ada juga thank you for your time. This one for interview, formal calls, and also emails. And expression I look forward to hearing from you. Ini untuk business emails and then job application. The next one, have a nice day. Have a good day. This one for general, formal, or semi-formal. Jadi ini bisa untuk konteksnya formal atau semi-formal. Goodbye. It can be for business or formal context. And then best regards or sincerely. Ini untuk formal emails or letters. Jadi kalau speaking secara langsung teman-teman jangan memakai ini ya. Ini khusus untuk written expression. And then for informal ada see you soon. This one for friends and also informal meeting. Take care. This one informal calls and also friendly chats. Catch you later. For close friend and also casual chats. The last one ada bye atau bye for now. Ini untuk informal situation. Jadi ini beberapa contoh expression yang bisa teman-teman gunakan dan what is the situationnya, situasinya. Nah, this one is the example for formal leave taking in face-to-face conversation. Ada job applicant and also ada interviewer. Kira-kira siapa yang mau mencoba?
Me, Miss.
Oke, Mas Suprianto as which one? Job applicant or interviewer?
Interviewer.
Oke, interviewer. And then job applicantnya?
Saya, Miss.
Oke, Mas Atta dulu ya. Silahkan.
Thank you very much for your time today, Mr. Tan.
It was my pleasure. I appreciate you coming in for the interview.
I look forward to hearing from you regarding the next steps.
We'll be in touch within a few days.
Thank you again. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Please take care on your way out.
I will. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
Oke, thank you Mas Atta and also Mas Suprianto. So, based on this conversation ya, jadi kalau dilihat dari conversation ini, it demonstrate respectful, professional leave taking. Karena di situ ada thanks the interviewer ya, kemudian express what is anticipation for follow up, use phrase have a good day and then goodbye. The tone is polite and also structure. Karena memang disesuaikan untuk job interview atau formal meeting. Thank you. And then the next one is konteksnya yang informal leave taking. Face to face. Silahkan. Friend 1 and also friend 2.
Miss. Saya.
Mbak Fariska ya?
Iya.
Mbak Fariska, which one? Friend 1 or 2?
Tuh.
Oke, Mbak Fariska, friend 2, Mas, sorry. Saya lupa. Lintang Chandra, Mas or Mbak ya?
Mbak.
Oke, Mbak. Mbak Lintang, friend 1 berarti. Silahkan.
Alright, I should get going now.
Okay, see you later.
Let's catch up again soon.
Definitely, maybe this weekend.
Sounds good. I'll text you.
Cool, take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, say hi to your brother for me.
Will do.
Oke,
Thank
good. Benar punya brother nggak? Nanti disampaikan. Say hi to your brother for me. Well, based on this conversation, the conversation is relaxed ya. Lebih santai, friendly, and also casual. Karena memang konteksnya adalah antar teman. Terlihat dari what is the conversation mengatakan see you later and then take care. I'll text you ya. Nah, kalau ada construction begini, ini termasuk informal situation. So it flows naturally between close friend. Well, good. The next one, formally taking on the phone ya, telepon. There are supplier and also company staff. Who wants to try for this one?
Can I try, Miss?
Oke, Mas Rivaldan sebagai
Ya.
apa?
Company staff.
Company staff, and then Mas Tobias ya, Mas Tobias sebagai supplier.
Yes. Thank you for your assistance today.
You're very welcome, Mr. Lee.
I appreciate your time.
It was my pleasure.
I look forward to receiving the confirmation email.
I will send it shortly.
Excellent. Have a good day.
You too, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you for calling.
Okay, good. So this one is supplier and also company staff ya. This conversation is polite and also I think business-like ya. Because the speakers thanks the receiver, confirming the next step, yeah, and with have a good day and then goodbye. This is the kind of leave taking that builds trust. Jadi menyampaikan perpisahan secara profesional over the phone. And the next one, this is informal leave taking on the phone via telepon juga. Between classmates ya, antar teman kelas. Ada yang mau mencoba A and also B?
Saya boleh, Miss?
Boleh, Mbak. Which one, Mbak Yolanda mau A or B?
Yang E? Yang A.
Oke, yang A Mbak Yolanda, and then B, silahkan
Saya.
Mbak
Oh, oke.
Kurnia. Oke,
Ya.
silahkan Mbak Kurnia.
Alright, I think that's all for now.
Oh, okay, cool. Talk later.
Sure, thank you for your help.
No problem. Bye for now.
Bye.
Oh, wait. Don't forget to send the file.
Right, I'll send it now.
Awesome, thanks.
Anytime, catch you later.
Later.
Okay, good. Thank you. As we know that this conversation casual ya, casual conversation because between classmate ya, antara teman sekelas. She said that bye for now and then bye, catch you later di sini. Ini termasuk what is informal leave taking. Ada talk later. Nah, ini juga sama. It suits for classmates or friend. Jadi memang cocok untuk teman sekelas, teman dekat seperti itu. So, this one, the example of formal leave taking in writing, actually I give you the example for email. From A is applicant, B is hiring manager. So don't forget to type subject. The subject is follow up on application. Dear Miss Brown, thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I appreciate the opportunity to discuss the marketing associate position. I look forward to hearing from you regarding the next steps. Please let me know if you require any additional information. Best regards, Alex Tan. Sincerely, Sarah Brown. And then B, hiring manager, answered the email. Dear Mr. Tan, thank you for your email. It was a pleasure speaking with you as well. We will contact you soon regarding the outcome of your interview. Please feel free to reach out if you have further questions. Sincerely, Sarah Brown. Nah, this email is clear, polite, and also professional. It include thanks ya, jadi mencantumkan ucapan thank you. Thank you for taking. Nah, and also di sini juga sama. Thank you for your email. Ada best regards di sini. Ini adalah professional tone untuk email. And then the next one, informal leave taking, still in writing email between friends ya. The subject, let's plan our trip. Hey Jamie, thanks for the call earlier. I'm excited about the trip. Let's finalize the details soon. I'll send you the ideas by tomorrow. Talk soon. Cheers, Sam. And then he answered that, hey Sam, sounds great. Thanks for following up. Can't wait to see what you have in mind. Let's chat again soon. Take care, Jamie. Nah, kalau di sini kita sudah bisa melihat ya, membaca. This one is informal. Sorry, ini harusnya judulnya yang ini, informal leave taking. Nah, ini kurang informal leave taking. Because they use ya, mereka menggunakan this one talk soon. Nah, talk soon di sini adalah informal situation. Cheers ya. Cheers ini juga for informal situation. Ada tanda seru ya, tanda seru itu juga termasuk informal situation. Biasanya between best friends, teman dekat. So the key points between greetings and also leave taking. Greeting is how we start a conversation in a polite, friendly, or professional way. It helps establish a positive tone and makes communication comfortable. Greetings can be formal. For example, AJ ini exempli Gracia atau for example ya. Good morning, nice to meet you. Or informal. For example, hey, hi there ya. The type of greetings depends on the context, relationship, and situation. Jadi kalau secara bahasa Indonesia, greeting adalah cara kita memulai percakapan secara sopan ya. Polite is sopan, and then friendly itu bisa diartikan ramah begitu ya. Atau cara profesional. Ini membantu ya. Jadi greeting itu membantu menciptakan suasana positif, establish a positive tone, dan membuat komunikasi lebih nyaman, terasa nyaman, comfortable, nyaman. Greeting bisa bersifat formal, contohnya selamat pagi, senang bertemu Anda, atau informal, situasi informal, hi, halo, hi there gitu ya, halo. Jenis greeting tergantung pada konteks, hubungan, dan situasi. Jadi teman-teman tinggal memilih kalau konteksnya formal ya pakai formal, konteksnya informal pakai informal. And then for leave taking is how we end a conversation politely. It shows respect, appreciation, and good manners. Leave taking can also be formal. For example, thank you for your time, goodbye. Or informal, for example, see you later, bye. A good leave taking leaves a positive final impression. Jadi, if we translate it, kalau kita terjemahkan leave taking atau apa, menyampaikan salam perpisahan begitu ya, adalah cara kita mengakhiri percakapan dengan sopan. Leave taking menunjukkan respect, rasa hormat ya, appreciation atau penghargaan, dan good manners, tata krama. Leave taking juga bisa bersifat formal, contohnya terima kasih atas waktu Anda, begitu ya, terima kasih atas waktumu, terima kasih atas waktunya, selamat tinggal, and then, atau informal, contohnya sampai jumpa, bye, dadah, gitu ya. Leave taking juga memberikan atau meninggalkan kesan yang positif di akhir percakapan. Jadi itu between greeting and also leave taking. Is there any question or do you want to share something? Teman-teman mungkin ada yang mau disampaikan. Greeting dan leave taking selesai. The next is project. Projectnya nanti saya buat secara kelompok aja ya. Jadi tidak ada homework, tidak ada tugas rumah. Karena kalau ada tugas rumah pasti akan sangat bingung koordinasinya nanti. Jadi akan ada diskusi dan kita bahas bersama nantinya. Maybe any question sebelum saya lanjutkan ke the next project? Belum bisa nyimak, masih di luar ada acara. Oke, Mas Rafli ya. Ini ada 16. Oke. 16. Kalau tidak ada yang ditanyakan atau didiskusikan, maybe if you want to share something atau mau bercerita pengalaman greeting and leave taking, kalau tidak ada, I will divided you into breakout room. Saya bagi menjadi 4 ya. Ini saya assign automatically. Jadi secara otomatis. Saya tidak menentukan ya. Supaya adil. Jadi teman-teman yang saya tidak tahu yang aktif akan masuk di mana, kemudian yang kurang aktif masuk di mana. I will create. Saya create. Oh, sorry, sebentar. Sebelum create, I will share the project first. Saya share dulu, saya jelaskan projectnya. Nanti bisa dibantu screen capture aja ya, supaya mudah diskusi di dalam grupnya. Atau nanti akan saya sharekan via chat. Oke, so this is for group project. Yang harus teman-teman lakukan. The first about reading, ya. So, this one reading, greeting, and leave taking in business. Ada teks yang harus dibaca. Setelah itu ada vocabulary list, ini hanya dibaca saja. Nah, this one is the question, pertanyaannya. There are 5 question. Silahkan nanti didiskusikan. Pertanyaan 1, 2, 3, 4, dan 5. And then ini ada fill in the box ya. Yang harus dimasukkan. Oke, itu. Setelah itu akan ada study case. Nah, study case-nya nanti akan saya bagi. For the first group. Bentar, ini tertutup. Study case 1. This is product launch collaboration. Sorry. Kayaknya terlalu banyak kalau dikerjakan bersama. Readingnya kita bahas dulu aja deh. Teman-teman terlalu banyak nanti kasihan nih, karena sudah lelah bekerja begitu ya, masih harus memikirkan ini. Well,
Thank you, Miss.
kita bahas bersama nanti yang study case aja yang dikerjakan secara grup. This one is reading ya. First impression, last, the power of greeting and leave taking in business. Saya dibantu baca aja. Siapa yang mau baca the first paragraph here?
I'm Miss.
Oke, silahkan Mas Suprianto.
Yes. Okay. In the fast-paced world of business and technology, first impressions truly matter. Whether you are an entrepreneur pitching to investors, a marketing professional meeting a new client, or a software engineer discussing a project with an international partner, how you start and your conversation can make all the difference.
Oke, thank you Mas Suprianto. And then next one yang mau baca? Bagian bawahnya ya, mulai dari greeting ini sampai finally.
Saya Miss.
Silahkan Mbak Fariska.
Greeting, professional greeting set the stage for a successful meeting. Simple yet respectful. Phrases like, "Good morning, Mr. Adrian. Thank you for taking the time to meet with us today. Hello, Miss Sophia. It's a pleasure to meet you in person finally."
Okay, good, thank you. So in greeting here, this one is a professional greeting sets the stage for a successful meeting. Simple yet respectful phrases like, jadi contohnya ya. Good morning, Mr. Adrian. Thank you for taking the time to meet with us today. Hello, Miss Sophia. It's a pleasure to meet you in a person finally. Nah, thank ini yang seperti kita mempelajari what is vowel and consonant di awal. Thank ini cara bacanya lidahnya digigit ya, digigit, tapi jangan terlalu keras ya. Antara gigi atas dan bawah. Thank. Thank you for taking the time to meet with us today. Thank you. And then next, silahkan yang mau membaca this one. Show until words. Ada yang mau membaca?
Saya, Miss.
Mas Sata ya, silakan Mas Sata.
Dari atas ya?
Ya, dari show aja. Start show until words here.
Show not only courtesy but also your readiness to engage seriously. A warm smile, appropriate eye contact, and a firm handshake or culturally suitable alternative reinforce your words.
Okay, thank you. Next. From this one until this one. From during until interest.
Saya Miss.
Silahkan Mbak Alvita ya.
Ya. During the meeting, continue to ask polite language expression such as, "May I ask what your main goals are for things project? Could you please elaborate on your expectations? Reflect your professionalism and genuine interest."
Okay, thank you Mbak Alvita. So this one is during the meeting, continue to use polite language expression such as, ya. May I ask what your main goals are for this project? Could you please elaborate on your expectation? Reflect your professionalism and genuine interest. Next is leave taking. Leave taking, silahkan siapa yang mau membantu baca from this one until this one, impression ya. Dari bagian atas sampai impression. Mas Rivaldan, oke silahkan.
If taking, equally important is how you close the meeting. A proper leave taking expresses appreciation and keeps door open for the future collaboration. Phrases like "Thank you very much for your time and valuable insight today. We look forward to working together. It was great meeting you. Please feel free to reach out if you have any further question. Leave a lasting positive impression."
Oke, thank you.
Sampai mana tadi, Miss?
Iya, betul, sampai impression. Thank you Mas Rivaldan. The last one terakhir. This paragraph. Ada yang mau membaca?
Saya, Bu.
Bentar, saya Mas Tobias ya, silahkan.
Remember, in global business environment, that small gesture build trust and long-term partnership. So always greet and part with client, colleagues, and partner with respect. Because a first impression might open the door, but a lasting impression keep it open.
Oke, thank you Mas Tobias. So, based on the text, jadi berdasarkan teks tersebut, ada beberapa kata ya, kata dan artinya dalam bahasa Indonesia. Di sini adalah first impression, it means that kesan pertama. Pitching, mempresentasikan ide atau produk. Investor, investor atau penanam modal. Courtesy, kesopanan. Reinforce, memperkuat. Genuine interest, ketertarikan yang tulus. Elaborate, menjelaskan lebih detail. Appreciation, penghargaan atau rasa terima kasih. Valuable insight, wawasan yang berharga. Lasting positive impression, kesan positif yang bertahan lama. Lasting itu bertahan lama. Nah, the question, jadi pertanyaannya, according to the text, why is a proper greeting important in a business or technology meeting? Kira-kira mengapa greeting ini penting dalam bisnis dan teknologi? Kalau dari teman-teman baca teks tadi. For greeting. This one.
Untuk memberikan first impression yang baik mungkin.
Oke, thank you Mas Atta ya. Jadi for professional greeting ya, help set tone for what is kesan profesional gitu ya. Oke. And then the next question, give the examples of professional greeting phrases mentioned in the text. Greeting, masih greeting.
Good morning, Miss.
Yes.
And hello.
Oke, good Mas Suprianto. Jadi contohnya professional greeting ada good morning, Mr. Adrian, thank you for taking dan seterusnya. Kemudian hello Miss Sophia ya. And then the next question, what non-verbal actions can reinforce your greeting? Jadi non-verbal actionnya seperti apa dalam greeting? Sorry, greeting this is. Oke. Kira-kira kalau non-verbal action, manakah?
A warm smile.
Good, yes. A warm smile.
Yes, I appropriate eye contact
Good.
and handshake.
Yes, this one is non-verbal action. And then the next question, why is leave taking just as important as greeting? Jadi kenapa sih leave taking itu juga penting seperti greeting? Kira-kira kenapa? Because? Why? Pasti jawabannya because.
May I, Miss?
Yes, Mas Supriyanto.
Leave taking is important because proper leave taking expresses appreciation and keeps door open for future collaboration.
Oke, good ya. Jadi itu. Leave taking express appreciation and also keeps door open for future. The last one, what does the text suggest is built through polite greeting and leave taking in global business? Jadi apa yang disarankan dari teks itu ya untuk membangun hubungan bisnis melalui polite greeting and also leave taking? What does the text suggest in global business?
May I, Miss?
Yes, Mas Supriyanto.
Like build trust and long-term partnerships, Miss.
Yes, good. Jadi in global business ya, greeting and leave taking build trust and long-term partnership. Gampang ya. Kalau dikerjakan bersama gampang. Nah, kita coba fill in the blank with suitable word from the box below. Jadi di sini ada beberapa kosakata ini ya yang harus teman-teman masukkan ke dalam teks yang kosong ini. Untuk nomor 1. A professional blah 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 help set the tone for the entire meeting.
Greeting, Miss.
Oke, nomor 1 is greeting. Sudah terjawab greeting. Sebentar. Saya kasih tanda. Oke, greeting sudah terjawab. And then nomor 2. Always show blah 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 by using polite language and respectful titles.
Courtesy.
Yes, good. Courtesy. And then ketiga, asking question shows your blah 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 interest in the client's need.
Genuine.
Yes, good. And then 4, it's important to blah 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 on your company's goal so the partner understand clearly. Sebentar, ada yang chat apa ini? Yes, good. Elaborate. And then nomor 5, a warm smile and firm handshake can blah 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 your words.
Reinforce.
Good. And then 6, expressing blah 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 at the end of a meeting leaves a blah 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 positive impression.
Appreciation and lasting.
Okay, good. Appreciation and lasting. The last one, client appreciate when you ask about their blah 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 and share your blah blah blah.
Expectations,
Mhm.
terus insight.
Good. Expectation and insight. Selesai deh. Gampang ya. Oke. Saya lanjut. Nah, sekarang study case. Nah, untuk study case ini teman-teman akan saya bagi menjadi beberapa kelompok yang tadi saya sampaikan. And then ada study case pertama. This one about product launch collaboration. The situation is you work for a creative agency that specializes in product campaigns. Today, you are meeting for the first time with a team from a beverage company that plans to launch a new premium iced tea product. The client seeks innovative ideas to position this product in the market and needs a campaign concept that can reach young professional audiences. Roles, jadi akan ada 4 ya. Yang A sebagai account manager from the agency. Tugasnya ini sudah ada, greet the client, set the agenda, ensure a friendly atmosphere. And then B as creative director from the agency, share early creative concept and ask for feedback. And then C, marketing manager from the client, describe the target market and brand goals. And then D, as a brand manager from the client, explain the product unique selling points and marketing expectation. Your goals is use formal greeting and leave taking. Jadi ini memakai formal ya. Show active listening, polite probing question, and summarize next step at the end. Ini untuk study case 1. Nah, nanti yang kebagian case 1 sesuai dengan breakout room-nya nanti ya. And then yang kedua, hotel chain rebranding. The situation, you are part of a consulting team hired by a regional hotel chain that wants to rebrand to attract international tourists. They feel their current image is too old-fashioned and local. This is your first official meeting after some introductory emails. Your roles as a lead consultant, start the meeting with a formal greeting, explain why your firm is excited to help, and then be senior designer, ask about problems with the current brand identity. C as hotel group's marketing director, explain why they want a modern international appeal. And then the last one, hotel group's operation head, share customer feedback that trigger the rebranding need. This one build trust with professional greetings, jadi sama formal ya. Explore the client's challenge politely and with a respectful leave taking, promising a detailed proposal. Ini nanti untuk teman-teman yang di breakout room kedua. And then study case 3, this one tech partnership discussion. The situation, a large logistic company wants to upgrade its operation using AI and data analytics. Your tech firm is meeting them for the first exploratory discussion. They are concerned about cost and data privacy. A, as business development manager from tech firm, you have to welcome everyone warmly, highlight mutual benefits, and then person B as solution architect, as technical question to understand current system. And then person C, logistics OO ya, discuss operational pain point and hope for automation. D, logistic IT head, raise data security concern and budget limitation. And then the goals is use polite diplomatic language to address concern, do formal greeting and a professional leave taking at the end. Jadi intinya sama-sama semuanya adalah formal ya. And then the last one, study case 4, sustainability project page. You represent an environment NGO. You are meeting executive from a large food processing company to discuss partnership on a sustainability project that involves waste reduction and community support. This is your first meeting to explore cooperation. The first person as NGO partnership manager opens the meeting, thanks them for considering the proposal. Jadi di bagian awal harus ada thanks ya. And then B, NGO program director explain successful similar project. C, CSR director of the company talks about their social responsibility focus. And then D, procurement head of the company asks practical question about implementation. The goals is start with respectful greetings, handle their question with professionally, close the meeting with a courteous leave-taking that invites future discussion. Jadi semuanya menggunakan formal situation and also don't forget to start greeting. Kemudian ada leave-taking ya. Tujuan leave-takingnya ada yang invite future discussion. Jadi tergantung study case-nya masing-masing nanti. And then ini nanti teman-teman membuat conversation, intinya begitu. Membuat conversation based on the situation, berdasarkan situasi, dan roles-nya juga sudah dibagi. Setelah itu nanti dipraktekkan untuk percakapannya. Nah, kira-kira perlu berapa menit untuk berdiskusi? 15, 20, 25, 30?
1 jam.
1 jam? Oke, ya sudah. Nanti kita coba
30 mungkin.
30 ya. Oke. Nanti kita coba 30, misalkan 30 belum selesai ya kita tambah lagi. Kalau belum selesai tambah lagi gitu ya. Yang penting tidak sampai jam 12 malam. Oke. Ini saya bagi dulu. Sebentar, saya stop share sebentar. Saya bagi breakout room 4, assign automatically. Oke, masih 16. Teman-teman tadi kira-kira sudah screen capture belum ya? Kalau belum nanti saya berikan di chat ya. Oke, kita open semua. Well, selamat datang lagi ya. Baik, I think all of group have already discussed and also finished the conversation ya, kayaknya sudah selesai. Baik, kita mulai for the first group. Grup pertama tadi ada study case about, which one? Product launch collaboration. Product launch collaboration. Ini timnya siapa tadi ya? Grup pertama tadi ada Mas Adi, Mbak Afril, Mbak Fariska, and also Mbak Maharani ya.
Yes,
Oh iya, Bu.
Oke, ini lengkap semua, ada 4-4-nya.
Sebentar, sepertinya Kak Maharani dan Kak Fariska belum bisa on mic, Bu, sekarang.
Tadi
Saya
Haris
bisa
bisa.
kok.
Oh, bisa, Kak?
Bisa.
Oke,
Oke,
Mbak.
berarti Kak Maharani ya?
Kurang Mbak Maharani ya, baik. Are you ready for presenting your discussion? Siap untuk mempresentasikan?
Baik, siap Bu. Saya
Oke.
share screen ya?
Boleh, silahkan.
Baik, sudah terlihat ya Bu?
Sudah terlihat jelas.
Ini langsung mulai saja ya Bu?
Ya, silahkan.
Baik. Anggota kelompok kami ada saya, Afril, as account manager. Kemudian ada Kak Adi menjadi marketing manager. Kak Maharani as brand manager. Karena Kak Maharani tidak bisa on mic, jadi saya gantikan ya Bu.
Boleh, silahkan.
Selanjutnya ada Kak Fariska sebagai creative director. Oke. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for taking the time to meet with us. My name is April. I'm the account manager from Blooming, a creative agency. Before we dive in, let me quickly share our plan for this meeting. We love to hear more about your new iced tea product, especially your target market and brand goals. After that, Fariska, our creative director, will share some early campaign idea. Finally, we gather your feedback and discuss the next step. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, that work for us. Thanks, Avril. I am Adi, marketing manager for this project. We're excited to collaborate and explore ideas for launching this product.
And I am Maharani, the brand manager. We appreciated your time and can wait to hear your creative concept. Thank you both. So to start, could you share more about who your target market is and what your expectations are for this product launch?
Sure, we are launching a premium ST amid at young professional at around 22 and 35, mostly people living in urban or career focused, lifestyle conscious, and who value both quality and convenience. We want the product to be seen as something modern, refreshing, and slightly premium, but still relatable.
Thank you, that's clear. If I might ask, besides the image of being modern and premium, do you want to connect this product to certain values like health, sustainability, or maybe social trend?
Good question. Yes, sustainability is important for us. The product uses natural ingredients, no artificial sweetener, and eco-friendly packaging. So we hope the campaign reflects not just style, but also authenticity and environmental care.
Got it. Thank you. Based on that, on one early idea we're thinking of is to position your iced tea as a refreshing break for ambitious meaning it's not just a drink, but a moment of refreshment that supports their busy lifestyle. With a touch of luxury and responsibility. Imagine clean visual, minimalistic design, and campaign happening in places like co-working space, creative hubs, and through digital platform. Does that align with your vision?
That sounds interesting. I like the ambitious means, Angel. We just want to make sure the campaign does feel too exclusive. Its style needs to approachable even though is
Absolutely, we can balance that by mixing modern aspirational visual with friendly, relatable messaging. Maybe through influencer collaboration or interactive event that engage the community. Would you be open to that approach?
Yes, that sounds good. We also love to see ideas from social media since most of our target market is active online. Noted to summarize, your focus is young professional who want a product tool that reflects quality, natural ingredients, and eco-conscious value with a campaign that feel modern but still accessibility. Our next step is prepare a detailed campaign proposal with visual example, social media strategy, and activity idea. Can we schedule a follow-up presentation next Thursday?
Thursday works for us.
Looking forward to seeing what your team comes up with. Perfect. Thank you again for your time and input today. We'll send the meeting details by email. Have a great day, everyone. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Thank you. Please give a virtual applause for them. Kita kasih virtual applause ya. Terima kasih, bagus sekali. Jadi idenya bagus ya. At the first refreshment for lifestyle tadi kalau nggak salah ya. Ada luxury, responsibility, and then visual clean, design minimalis tadi disampaikan. And also ada co-working space, platform digital. Oke, keren. Thanks for what is Mbak Afril Groups ya. Ada Mbak Afril, Mas Adi, and also Mbak Fariska. And then the next one, second room 2, ada Mbak Kurnia, Mas Rivaldan, Mas Suprianto, and also Mas Tobias. Time is yours.
Yes, Miss.
Hello, hello, everyone.
Nice.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Halo semuanya, teman-teman. Di sini kita akan mempresentasikan hasil diskusi kamu yaitu studi case 2 yaitu hotel chaining rebranding. Terdiri dari Mrs. Kurnia dengan saya sendiri yaitu senior designer, Miss Rivaldan Bagaskara yaitu Hotel Groups Marketing Director, Mrs. Suprianto yaitu Hotel Groups Operation Head, dan Mr. Tobias Alif Melki Apriano yaitu lead konsultan. Silahkan.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for making time to meet with us today. My name is Tobias Alif Melki Apriano, and I am the lead consultant from Tama Corporation. We are truly excited to be part of this project. From what we have seen so far, your hotel has strong potential, and with the rebranding strategy, we can help you reach a broader international audience. Let's start by better understanding what's behind this rebranding initiative.
Thank you, Mr. Tobias. From our side, the need to rebrand actually came from customer feedback. Many guys have commented that although they enjoy our service and facility, the branding feels outdated. Some international guys even mentioned they had chosen our competitor first because our brand didn't look global enough. That is when we realized we need to rethink our image.
That is really valuable feedback. Thank you for sharing. To help us get started on the design side, could you tell us more about which parts of your current branding feel outdated? For example, are there specific elements like your logo, color scheme, or even the tone of your messaging that you think no longer reflect your values?
Yes, definitely. Our current logo and website design were created over 10 years ago, and they have not evolved much. They The look is very traditional, which works for a local market, but does not appeal to the modern global traveler. We want a visual identity that say we are international, stylish, and welcoming. That include everything from typography and color choice to how we present ourselves in digital channels.
That give us a clearer picture. We will explore visual concept that maintains your brand's heritage while making it feel fresh and globally competitive. Are there any hotel brands you admire or style you'd like to be inspired by?
Yes, we have looked at brands like Citizen M and Hotel Indigo. They are modern but still unique. We did like to be in that space, boutique, yes, yet professional.
That is great input. Our team will analyze those reference brand alongside your current positioning based on everything we have heard today. But from operation and marketing, we will put together a rebranding proposal that includes strategy, design direction, and rollout steps. You can expect that within the next 5 to 7 business days.
Perfect. We appreciate how structured you approach it. We are looking forward to seeing what your team up with.
Thank you. This has been very productive discussion, and we truly appreciate your openness. We will follow up soon with draft proposal. In the meantime, if any further insight or document come to mind, feel free to share them with us. Thanks again, and we look forward to the next
Thank you.
step in the exciting journey. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, okay, thank you. You're welcome. Please give a virtual applause for them. Nah, kita kasih applause dulu ya. Tentang hotel ya, bukan hotel syariah ya, tapi hotel Indigo dan sebagainya. Bagus. Tadi penyampaiannya you use what is formal tone and also professional. Kemudian membahas tentang visual identity juga ya. International, stylish, and also welcoming. Well, next we will continue on the third group, grup ketiga. Silahkan grup ketiga ada Mbak Lintang, Mbak Sekar, Mbak Yolanda, and also Mbak Zahra. All of the ladies. Semuanya cewek ya.
Yes, Miss.
Silahkan Mbak Yolanda's group.
Okay. We will share. Okay, good evening, everyone. We from group 3 will give our answer regarding study case 3. We have member named Zahra as Business Development Manager and Logistic IT Head. 2, Sekar Ambasari as Solution Architect. And 3, me, Yolanda Dwigita, as Chief Operating Officer. And 4, Lintang Chandra. Studi case 3. Zahra.
Good morning. Thank you for meeting with us today. We see great potential to help you save costs and improve efficiency with AI. We believe there are strong mutual benefits in efficiency and cost saving.
To get a clear picture, could you explain your current system?
Understanding how your systems are set up will help us recommend suitable AI and analytics tools.
One of our problem is tracking delivery times in real time and managing inventory. Inventory is hard to manage. We hope automation can solve this.
We are very concerned about data privacy and our budget is limited. We need a safe and affordable solution and cost efficient.
Okay, thanks for your time and input. We'll prepare a proposal based on today's discussion and follow up with you next week. We look forward to working closely together.
Okay, good. Thank you, Mbak Yolanda's group ya. Please give a virtual applause for them. Kita kasih virtual applause lagi. Well, tentang chief officer tadi ya, and also sudah jelas, this is for formal situation. Kita lanjut ke grup berikutnya, the last group. Grup terakhir ada Mas Atta and siapa lagi ya Mas Atta tadi ya? Di saya ini munculnya kok cuma Mas Atta ya?
Iya, Miss.
Mhm. Mas Atta bersama siapa ya tadi ya?
Saya
SSK.
Miss.
Sebentar, Mas Atta, kemudian saya tadi itu siapa? Mbak
Saya Miss
oh, Mbak
Alvita.
Alvita. Iya, kemudian satunya siapa?
Mas Fadio Ilham.
Mas Fadio. Tadi yang nggak join siapa ya, Mas ini ya?
Rafli.
Oh iya, Mas Rafli. Oke. Silahkan Mas Atta.
Baik, apakah sudah muncul?
Sudah muncul?
Ya. Baik, perkenalkan kami kelompok 4. Kami membahas sustainability project. Ada Kak Alvita dari manajemen dan saya sendiri dari TKV. Ada Mas Fadio dari manajemen juga dan ada Mas Rafli dari manajemen. Karena udah 2 orang yang belum bisa hadir untuk hari ini, saya akan berdialog secara gantian. Okay. Good morning, and thank you for taking the time to meet with us today. We really appreciate the opportunity to talk about a potential collaboration on a sustainability project focused on reducing waste and supporting local communities.
Thanks. We have some great results from similar projects in the past. They've not only helped reduce waste, but also brought real benefits to the communities involved. We're confident that by working together, we can make an even bigger and more lasting impact.
We take our corporate social responsibility seriously, and we see partnership like this as a key part of reaching our sustainability goals. It's important to us that the project brings value, not just to our company, but to the community and the environment as well.
I'd love to hear more about how this would actually work in practice. What are the steps you will take to reduce waste, and how do we measure whether the project is successful?
Great question. We've mapped out some clear action steps. First, we'll do a thorough analysis of your production process to spot areas where waste can be cut down. And then we'll work closely with your team to design and implement effective solutions. For tracking progress, we'll set clear KPIs and carry out regular monitoring to make sure everything stays on track.
On top of that, we plan to involve local communities throughout the project. That way, they can benefit directly and feel part of the solution. We have found that community engagement is key to making these efforts truly sustainable.
That sounds great. We really support the idea of involving the community. How do you see our role in this project?
We see you as a strategic partner who can contribute both research and expertise. With strong collaboration, we believe we can reach our shared goals and deliver a positive, lasting impact for both the environment and society.
Thanks again for your time and interest in what we're proposing. We'd love the chance to move forward with this partnership. Let us know what the next steps look like from your side, and we'll be ready to follow up anytime.
We will take a closer look at the proposal and get back to you soon to discuss next step. Thanks again for coming in today.
Thank you. We really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to working together. Have a great day and talk soon.
Okay, good. Thank you, Mas Atta, and also Mbak Alvita. Yeah, Mbak Alvita. Well, that's about sustainability project. Yeah, ada reduce waste and then supporting local communities, CSR, and also benefit community. Please give virtual applause for them. Kita kasih virtual applause dulu ya. Well, actually all of you gave a good presentation, but I will share sebentar. Tadi saya catat. Okay, this one is saya ini ya, nuliskan di chat ya. How do you say this one?
Excited.
Okay, good, excited. And then how about this one?
Joined.
Yes, join. And then this one.
Us.
Yes, us. And then this one.
Use.
Use, good. This one.
Hit.
Hit. And this one.
Heat.
Head.
Oke, hit head. Ya, yang bawah adalah head, kepala ya. Well, good. Itu untuk hari ini. Semuanya sudah bagus. And actually, thanks for your coming and also joining. Maybe anyone of you wants to share something or asking some question? Mungkin ada yang mau disampaikan atau ditanyakan. Kita foto dulu ya. Lama tidak berfoto bersama ya. Oke, silakan yang mau on cam. Saya tunggu ya. Kameranya silakan dinyalakan. Walaupun mata ngantuk, lelah seharian bekerja ya. Demi meraih masa depan yang lebih cerah.
Ini berempat kok janjian warna putih semua ya.
Oh, berempat. Oh iya. Putih-putih nih. Oke, sudah ada lagi yang mau on cam? Tidak ada? Baik, saya capture ya. Silahkan mau senyum, mau gaya apapun boleh. Yang pasti jangan cemberut ya. Oke, 1, 2, 3, cheers. Oke. 1, 2, 3. Well, good everyone. Terima kasih semuanya sudah bersemangat pada malam hari ini. Thanks for your coming. Kita berdoa dulu ya sebelum mengakhiri perkuliahan, berdoa dipersilahkan. Amin ya robbal alamin. Well, thank you. See you next meeting ya. Selamat beristirahat semuanya. Semoga apa yang dipelajari bisa memberikan manfaat. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you,
Thank you,
Miss.
Miss.
Ya,
Good evening.
welcome.